I'm going to start on the tailgate. I want to take this off so that when it's all sanded and cleaned, I do want to put that back on. So best way to get these off, I found, unless you've got really special tools, get some welding wire, wrap it round something and just pull it through and use it like a saw. It works. It can be difficult, but it works quite well. So just go from side to side. Get it away. Come on. That's the way to do it. Oh, don't do that. That wants to be up a bit. Way up. That wants to be up a bit. Way up. I was going to put it on my desk, but it's so sunny you can't see. Look. Right. Stay there, chair. That's a bit awkward actually. Let me start from the other end again. Start from this end again. You need to be on the end of that because you're pulling the bloody thing away. There we go. Awesome. Clean all that crap off. Head up for the next one. There we go. Tidy it up. Perfect. Right. Hope that helps you, somebody. Cheers for now. Right, hello everyone. I'm tackling the tailgate first. Start on things, cutting out all the rust and the surface rust that's started inside. This is like a I can't remember what it's called. It's a rust preventative, and it does something to the steel. Get cleaned and painted and whatever. So on everything before it it'll get cleaned and painted and whatever. So there you go. Anyway, so painted and whatever. So there you go. Anyway, so we finished that side more or less. There's a few little bits that aren't going to worry about, too small to worry about. I've got different thicknesses of steel here, and where the hinges are and the hinge bolts, that's got thick steel. That's got 1.5mm steel, and then where it doesn't need it, it's only 0.8 steel. So like this piece here, all the way there, will be a thick piece. So there you go. So I've just got that bit to do on the bottom, and then there's a few bits on the top, and then there's a couple of bits on the other side to tackle. So there's a hole there, but I'll tackle that from the other side. So that's what I'm up to. So the long laborious bit now, tackling all the rust and bits. So there you go, onwards and upwards. Cheers for now. Right, I finished the tailgate, done all the way down. A few bits on the other side. Got some rust preventative stuff on there. So just want to rub down now a bit of Bogo, and it'll be good. So that's one part, one down. So I'm just going to start on the door, one door. I just got to take the glass out. So here's the one door. There's not a massive amount on here. There's a little bit on the bottoms that wants replacing, that lip, and then the outer lip wants replacing, and then I've got to do something with this hinge because it's a bit weak. But no, it's not too bad. But I've got to take the window out because I don't want weld spatter all over the bloody thing. Or I suppose I could just wrap a cloth around it and tape it up, something like. Anyway, I've got to do that. So right, that's the next job. So I'll keep you up to date. Cheers for now.